Yeah. All right. So this is the review of it, Rick, all together now. Is the first thing we did. This is the first ball that you hit over there on the right-hand side, and what we changed on the left-hand side is we need to get the ball further up in your stance instead of moving the ball back where the club hits. We simplified the backswing, thinking of keeping our two-post golf swing. That all we're trying to do in the backswing is just get onto that right leg. Versus here where you're turning more over your left leg. This is getting better. We've moved it back slightly to the right. If we can get rid of a little excess turn, that would be great. A little excess turn, that would be great.
Okay.
But now as we're coming down, where we see the big difference is the position that we're trying to get to is getting your lower body out in front of your upper. So you can really see the difference between these two at halfway down. We can see how that right knee's already started to kick in. Your weight's turning more over your left side. And when we move it down to impact, that's really where we see the benefits. So now you can see here the club's on the ground and how much higher it is over here. So now when we strike it, we see a nice extension of the left arm. The club face stays square. It hits in the center of the club. And as we go through, really looks like a totally different guy with your weight turning over on that left hip. And you can actually even see how that left toe goes up slightly. And then look at the difference in how long your arms stay.
Yeah.
This looks like you just got done hitting something over here where we still see too much space in between your knees to where, look at how much more rotation there is. Get into a much better finish. So that drill, I'm going to put that on there as well, is the visual that we're having. I can find the tab. So here's what the drill looks like, Rick, where we actually preset it. You can do this just chipping balls into a couch or anywhere, where you just preset it, letting your lower body stay out in front. You can see how all we're doing is one post, and now that club again is moving down to the ball. Left arm stays nice and long.
Just don't even.
Yep, and then the other drill that we added was getting you to go from setup to that position, where we set up, we take it up to the top, we bring it down in slow motion to where your lower body is turned out and your upper body's back. If we can increase that X factor there and there, where your chest is facing where we're going to try and hit, and your hips are facing more along the target line or where we want our ball to go, that's what's going to draw your right leg in, get you to turn over that left, and get you to that good solid impact position.